Alright, welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing us a simple step on how you can register on 1688 and also how you can log in. Maybe in the next video we'll show you how to log in on 1688, but in this video we are just going to show you how to register on 1688. Many people don't really know that there's a step of registering on 1688 and even other websites like Alibaba and the rest, but I'm just going to show you how you can sign up for an account on 1688 so that you'll be able to know keep tabs on the things you do on 1688. Like for example, I remember starting to shop on 1688 way back then. When I look at my carts, I look at my purchases, I can still see my records. So it will be hard for somebody to say I didn't do this or I didn't do that. It has helped me so much, and I want to show you how you can be able to register so that you can be able to keep tabs on the things you do on 1688. Without more talk, let's hop into my system as I show you how you can sign up on 1688 without stress. All right, let's go. Is to sign up through the desktop version. We want to sign up through the desktop version. All right, so we go to we come to this place. This is our browser, our address bar. It's called an address bar. We edit it and then we shift this, we press it down and take it to the end of the address that is there. Remove these dots. You will see a dot and M, right? Remove the dots and remove the N. Once you do that, click enter. Tap on enter or the arrow bar and it will bring you to the real website, that is the desktop website, where we just mobile websites. Now it's taking us to the desktop website. All right, so when it takes us to the desktop website, I want you to do something. I want you to remove it from translation. I will explain everything as we go. Just undo the translation stuff, right? Undo the translation. Why am I undoing the translation? Because I don't want okay, it's the same, it's just the same, okay, let's just translate it. It's still the same. Okay, so now that you have translated, you will see here, you will say one click login, right? Under this place you see where they say one click login. That one click login is where we want to start from right now. Okay, so you click on it, it will bring you to this place, right? It will bring you here. This is exactly what I want to show you, right? When it brings you here, right, the next thing to do is to click on free registration. That is where to start your registration. But if you have already registered, so all right, when you get here, the first thing to do is to translate. Like I said, translate to English. All right, so when it's translated to English, you see where they will say register immediately, personal registration, and you see where they say business registration. Just come here and click on register personal registration, 1688 personal registration. All right, so when you click on the 1688 personal registration, it will bring you to a place where it will bring out all the registration details you can add in. So that is the very first thing you need to do before you start registration. All right, so it is here now. So it is here now, the person. So now we are going to do something else. Always make sure you tap on translate. So to translate this to English, so you just come here, you see this red bar, just click on this red button and it will launch us to the main place. All right, so here you may not be able to translate this to English. Here you may not be able to translate this to English, but you will be able to understand it as we go. So let's just translate it personally. If you have the Google Translator already on your phone, you have Google Translator already on your phone, the thing you do is when you highlight it, you will see this translator icon here on this stuff. You see the translator icon will pop up and it asks you for your name, right? Let me show you where the translation is. When you highlight and copy all this stuff here, you will see the translation icon come up here. You will notice my hand, this thing is cursor is moving here. Click on this translator icon and it will translate. So here is the member's name. Member's name means your personal name or your username. Now your username should be in small letter, right? In lower letter. Let's say I am registering Mary Ibrahim, for example. There should be no space. There should be no space, and there should be no anything that will make it look as if it's you understand. There should be no space. Normally there should be no capital letter, you understand, but if you have capital letter, maybe it will later normally there should not be capital letter at all, you understand. It should all be in small letter, but you can leave it in capital letter. Let's see how it will go. All right, so the next phase is your password. If you also copy this, highlight this and highlight all, you will notice it will ask you for password, login password. All right, so now your login password, you have to choose this carefully. All right, let me pause. Okay, the next one is to confirm the password. Now confirming your password, the same thing you put on this first one is what you put on the second one. That means when you come here, you see here is confirm password, you put here. So the next thing is to confirm the password. So after confirmation of password, the next thing is to add in your phone number. Now it's important this is very important, you choose your country code first, right? You click on this place and then choose your country code. You scroll down to your country code. Our country code in Nigeria is 23 plus 234. You understand? Plus 234. Other ones can be plus 23 whatever in your country, or plus whatever in your country that you are watching from presently. All right, so plus 234 is our own country code. I'm still looking for it. Let me pause it till I. All right, this is plus 234, right? This plus 234. I click on it, and then the next thing is to add my number. All right, the next thing is to add my number. Okay, so I'll add my number. All right, so after adding your number, the next thing to do is to drag this icon, to drag this icon to the end of the page. All right, so let's go. We drag it to the end like this, and it's now active. When you see it strike this mark, this green mark, you know, this green check mark, you know that it is done. So the next phase is to click on this agreement button, right? You click on the agreement button. All right, so when you have clicked on agreement button, cross check everything to see if it's working, and then click on register. Click on this blue this orange icon here to sign up. All right, so it has signed up. So now they are going to send us a code which we are going to use to add to this place, this box here. All right, we are going to add the code to this box here. So let me get the code now. So we add it 2020 H303. Alright, so when we add the code, okay, sorry, we click the wrong button. Okay, so the code is added, and immediately the code is added, every other thing is settled, right? So now the account is active, right? Now the account is active, and they are asking us to enter our username and password to log in. They're asking us to enter our username and password to log in. All right, so remember, no space. So we have here all right, so we are logging in, and that's it. So hope you enjoyed this class. All right, hope you enjoyed the class, and hope you have learned how to log into 1688 to start shopping. All right, so it will show you all this and this is not really necessary, and it's just trying to tell you that it's logging you in. That's just what it's doing, and once it's done like this, you can click on this place and you are in. There's a button I just clicked on and you are in. In our next video, we are going to show you how to verify your account. It's very important because in this place they are saying one limited login risk. We're going to show you in the next video how to verify your 1688 account so you can start shopping with ease. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Do remember to give us a thumbs up, like the video so that other people who needs this solution can also get it, and also subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. We upload valuable content every week, so to be able to help you learn one or two things so that you can be able to grow your business and succeed in your business. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever we post. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.